Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name's Paul, Scissors Paper Paul on Instagram, Facebook and on YouTube. Make sure you follow me on all of those socials because I share lots of different inspiration and ideas on each of the different platforms. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you won't miss out on any of my content going forward. So what are we doing today? Well, we're going to look at a really cool feature with Cricut Design Space with iOS only, so your iPhone or iPad, which is called SnapMat. Now, SnapMat, if you don't know what it is, that enables us to take a shape and then cut it out specifically anywhere on the mat by taking a photo of the mat. And we're going to look at the exact process. Now, if you're a quilter or a sewer and you do applique, this is a brilliant way to fussy cut fabric. And also if you're a card maker or if you're doing vinyl projects and you've got lots of different colors and lots of different words and shapes and everything to cut out, you can easily put all of those scraps on your mat and then move all of those elements around and cut them specifically where you want to. So let's take a look. Okay, so we've opened up Cricut Design Space. Now we're going to select New Project. We're going to replace the one that we already have on the mat, and I'm just going to take a shape, which is a circle. I'll select the circle, click Edit, and just resize this to 5 inches because I know that's the size that I want to cut out. Now, you'll see when we get to the next part, we're cutting out this beautiful picture of my gorgeous baby niece, Maggie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Make It. And down the bottom left-hand side, you'll notice we've got a little camera icon and the word SnapMat. So rather than click Continue, we're going to click SnapMat. And now you can see my camera's opened up. You can see my gorgeous niece. So I actually find this works a lot easier on the floor. So we're just going to zoom in. There we go. We've got our photo. And I'm going to either select Retake or Use. And I'm going to click Use. Now you can see my shape is transparent and it's on the mat. Now this is going to be used in a beautiful cardstock project, which I'll link to in the cards up above as well. But I can just position that on where I want to cut the image, and then I click Continue, selecting my Cricut Maker, and then we'll just follow the prompts that are on the screen. Choosing medium cardstock. And now I'm going to load it into my machine. And now press Go on my machine. And we'll let the machine do the rest. Now we'll unload our machine. And we'll just take off this larger piece of cardstock. Of course, I'm doing this one-handed. And here we have our beautiful cutout, which is going to be used in our main design. So I hope you found that useful. Again, if you did find it useful, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.